I'm an attorney, and one of the things you learn from it is you don't take a case unless you have the evidence. And I think it was very unfair I think it was wrong-headed, and it was unfair to take the Hodsons to court. It was remarkably ignorant, in my view, to do that. You do not take a case to court unless you have a case to take to court. And I don't think that, and I didn't agree with the University of Maryland getting involved in that case. I wondered, why would the University of Maryland be involved in a case? Because I know exactly what happens. You get kids who have never paid a mortgage, and they're going to school for the first time in their lives, and, well, you know, going to law school for the first time in their lives, and all they're going to do is pursue something vigorously, without any knowledge of what does this mean to the Hodsons. Now, I met the Hodsons. I don't know them personally, but I met them, and these are decent people. Now, there was another thing about that case, that the Maryland Department of Environment had already okayed that property. Now, I want to tell you, the Department of Environment is very tough. I've had a few cases with the Department of Environment. When I heard that the Department of Environment said that was fine, I thought, why in the world are we suing? Why in the world would any fool be suing the Hodsons? Now, so the lesson is, if you're going to, and I do believe that if people pollute the bay and they break the law, then they need to be taken to court. But if you're innocent and so it teaches you just not to bring up bad cases. You better have a good case. It's not going to tell you that that people can't be sued who break the law. So we don't want to overreact to that, because we all have to, because we need sensible regulations. One of the biggest issues about the cleanup of the Chesapeake Bay is the growing population of the state of Maryland. We're one of the most populous states in the whole country. And it isn't so much that, you know, it's farming or it's stormwater, it is our population. So we need to have sensible regulations. And if people violate those regulations, then they open themselves up to court cases.
What have we learned from the Hudson case? Well, so I said the Ag Law Center, what happened? I thought Maryland is a land grant state, which means that we're looked to with our agriculture, but we have environmental law, we have business law, we have computer transaction law and codes, but we have no body of ag law. And we do not have services for our farm families, like there are for other legal services. So we put language in the budget, and we set aside some money that would bring together the University of Maryland School of Law, the Cooperative Extension Program, which is the best kept secret in the whole state, and their resources and research and body of knowledge. And then we took the University of Maryland College Park and UMES, put them together in a room together, and asked them to come up after doing an inventory with all of our farm families and farm organizations to come up with a plan of action. That plan of action has happened, and that group is really exciting. I met with them today about where we are and what we're doing. There's a draft that is available on their website, or will be available on their website. There is an inventory of lawyers who will be working and interested in providing these services, and there's a whole list of types of legislation or types of issue. The other thing, real quickly, we developed a deliberative process through which proposals or initiatives like happened with Hudson for student experience are reviewed. And I can tell you more about that later.
Thank you, ma'am.